Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. In this JavaScript for Beginners part 7.6, we continue our journey from part 1 to part 7.5, building strong JavaScript fundamentals step by step. Like, share, and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more powerful coding tutorials. In today's session, I'm going to explain about sum, every, and flat. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly in Visual Studio Code step by step. Let me use the single line comment here. Sum method is nothing but it checks whether at least one element in an array satisfies a given condition. It returns true if any element passes the test, otherwise false. Okay. Now let me show you the syntax of sum method. Syntax array.sum function element comma index comma array. Okay, and return condition. This is the syntax of sum method. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly by using a simple example. Let me provide multi-line comment for this syntax. Let me use the single line comment here. Example of sum. Example of sum. Let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, let numbers equal to 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, let result equal to numbers dot sum function num. Return num greater than 18. Okay, console.log result. Okay, let me explain you what is this code about. As you guys can see here, I have provided numbers array and elements are 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, the array contains 5, 10, 15 and 20 and the condition, the number is greater than 18. You guys can see here. Okay, see here I written as per the syntax. You guys can cross check here. Okay, the 20 satisfies the condition, so sum returns the true value. Okay, now let me run this code. Go to index.html, right click, open with the live server, right click, go to inspect, go to console. You guys can check here. 20 satisfies the condition, so it returns true. Okay, I hope you guys understand sum method. Let's move to next method. Let me provide multi-line comment for this. Let me provide a single line comment here. Every method is nothing but it checks whether all the elements in an array satisfy a given condition. It's return true only if every element passes the test. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let me show you the syntax of every method. Syntax: array dot every function element index array. Okay, return condition. Return condition. Okay, this is the syntax of every method. You guys can note it down. Don't worry, I will explain you by using a simple example so that you guys can understand it properly. Okay, now let's move to the example. Let me provide multi-line comment for this syntax. Asterisk and slash. Let me use the single line comment. Example every method. Okay, let marks equal to 60. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay, let result equal to marks dot every. Just you guys can cross check with the syntax. I'm writing as per that. Every function mark return mark greater than or equal to 50. Okay, greater than or equal to 50. console.log result. Okay, so let me explain you what is this code about. Here I provided marks array, elements which are 60, 70, 80 and 90. All marks are 60, 70, 80 and 90. The condition I have provided, marks should be 50 or more. You guys can see here, marks are greater than or equal to 50. Okay, and every value satisfies the condition, so every returns the true. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let me run this code. Now you guys can check here, it returns true. Okay, I hope you guys understand every method. Let me show you one more example of that. Now example in false case. Okay, now let me provide multi-line comment for this. Asterisk and slash. Let me provide a single line comment. Example false case. Okay, in false case, one second, Now let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, let marks equal to 60 comma 40 comma 80 and 90. Okay, let result equal to marks dot every function mark return mark greater than or equal to 50. Console.log result. Let me explain you what is this code about. As you guys can see here, I have created marks array with the elements of 60, 40, 80 and 90. Okay, and 40 does not satisfy the condition. You guys can see here, I have provided marks are greater than or equal to 50. So 40, it does not satisfy the condition. Okay, so result is false. You guys can check here. Let me run this code. Now check here. The result is false. As you guys can see here, in this previous example, it returned true because every value here is greater than or equal to 50. So it's not less than 50. Okay, so every element is greater than 50, so it returns true. Here in this example, one value is less than 40, so it returns false. I hope you guys understand every method. Now let's move to another method. Let me provide a multi-line comment for this. Asterisk and slash. Let me use a single line comment here. Flat. It's a flat method. Flat method is nothing but it creates a new array by removing nested arrays and flattening them to a specified depth. Okay, keep that in mind. Let me provide syntax here. Syntax of flat method. Array.flat okay, depth. Now let me explain you what is this syntax about. You guys can see here, depth is nothing but how deep the array should be flattened. Okay, keep that in mind. And default depth is 1. Keep that in mind. Okay, let me provide a multi-line comment for this. Don't worry, I will explain you by using a simple example. You guys can understand it properly. Just let me provide a multi-line comment for this. Asterisk and slash. Now let's move to the example here. Let me use the single line comment. Example depth equal to 1. Okay, depth equal to 1. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, let arr equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 second, 1, 2, let me use the square brackets here, 3, 4, comma 5. Let result equal to arr dot flat console.log result. Okay, you guys can cross check here arr.flat as per the syntax I written here. Okay, just note it down. Let me explain you what is this code about. The array contains a nested array 3 comma 4, you guys can see here, and flat removes one level of nesting. Okay, keep that in mind, and returns a new flattened array. Now let me run this code. Now you guys can check here. Now let's move to the one more example. Let me show you with one more example. Let me use the multi-line comment for this. Asterisk and slash. Example multiple levels. Multiple levels. Okay, let arr equal to 1 comma, let me use the square brackets, 2 comma, one more, 3 comma, one more, 4, 3 comma 4. Okay, let result equal to arr dot flat, I have provided 3 here, console.log result. Now let me explain you what is this code about. The array has multiple nested levels. As you guys can see here, it's a multiple nested levels, and flatten up to 3 levels. Okay, the all values became part of one array. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let me run this code. Now you guys can check here. Okay, so it flattened up to 3 levels, all values became part of one array. Now you guys can understand it properly, right? I hope you guys understand flat method also. Let me explain you key differences of these methods. Sum method is nothing but purpose of that is it checks if at least one element matches. Okay, and every method purpose is it checks if all elements matches. Okay, and flat method purpose is it converts nested arrays into a flat array. Okay, keep that in mind. I hope you guys understand these methods. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.